Hey, are you ready to learn? The only thing that permanent in this world is change.
Now, let's do the activity. We have here 3 pieces of paper. I'm going to crumple the first paper. There. Then, we will tear the second one into pieces. Okay, there. And lastly, we're gonna burn this last piece. Waiting for the match to light. There. Let's burn the paper. Be cautious on the risk may happen doing this kind of activity. After all this activity, let us determine the changes that happens to the papers. Let's take a look at the scrambled paper, these thicker pieces of paper, and these ashes. What changes did these items undergo? The crumpled paper, it is still a paper. It still has the same composition as what it was earlier. Same goes with the stern paper. While the other example, the ashes, is completely different from the two. It changes to another matter. The first two paper both undergone physical change, the crumpled paper and torn paper. A physical change involves a change in physical properties, such as texture, size, and shape. Most physical changes are reversible. The arrangement of atom and physical change remains the same. The burned paper undergone chemical change. It totally changed into a new substance. It became ashes. This process is not reversible because the atoms are rearranged as new products are generated. In a chemical change, there is a change in temperature, odor, color, and composition. This is an example of a chemical change because the end products are chemically different from the substances before the chemical reaction. The most important thing for you to remember is that in a physical change, the composition of a substance does not change, and in a chemical change, the composition of a substance does change. Our activity implies the difference between the physical and chemical change. It is important to note that all matter can go through changes.